If your laptop has been getting slower, laggier, or just doesn't feel as fresh as it used to, this video is going to help you bring it back to life. Today, I'll show you the simplest and safest way to make your Windows laptop feel brand new again using a built-in feature called Reset This PC. No extra tools, no complicated tech, just a clean, fast machine by the end. Let's get started. First, open your Start menu, type Settings, and click the Settings app when it appears. From here, look on the left side and select System. Now scroll down until you see Recovery. This is where all your reset options live. Once you're inside Recovery, you'll see a section called Reset This PC. Right beside it is a button that says Reset PC. Click that. Now Windows will give you two choices, and it's important to understand both. The first option is Keep My Files. This keeps your personal documents, photos, and downloads safe, but removes all apps, programs, and settings. It's perfect if your laptop is slow, but you don't want to back up your entire life. The second option is Remove Everything, which wipes all files and installed applications. This is best if you want a completely clean slate or you're preparing to give the laptop to someone else. In this guide, we'll select Keep My Files. Next, you'll be asked how you want to reinstall Windows. You can choose Cloud Download, which grabs the newest Windows version from Microsoft. Great if you want the freshest build, but it takes longer and needs internet. Or you can pick Local Reinstall, which uses existing system files on your device. It's much faster and typically the recommended option, so choose Local Reinstall. Before you continue, you may see an option called Change Settings, where you can adjust advanced reset preferences. This is optional, so only touch it if you know exactly what you want to tweak. After that, click Next, and Windows will take a moment to prepare. You'll then see a complete summary, including the list of apps that will be removed. Review everything, and when you're ready, hit Reset. Your laptop will restart and begin the cleanup process. After it finishes, it'll feel smoother, faster, and almost like you just unboxed it. And that's it. Your laptop is officially refreshed. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more easy tech tips, and drop a comment if you want a tutorial on speeding up your laptop even further. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.